morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. This is Gbenga Nature Farm once again. I'm here to give you snail farming tips and secrets that will benefit you in the running of your snail farm. Are your snails growing too slow? Are their shells looking weak or whitish? Are they not laying enough eggs? In this video, you are going to get 22 secret foods that will help you to boost production in your snail farm. In this video, we are going to learn 22 secret foods that will boost your snail growth, that will improve their shell strength, that will increase their egg production. Please, I beg you, do not skip this video. Watch this video from the beginning of the video to the end of this video so that you won't miss any points. Any point you miss is very, very important in this video because it will help you to succeed in building a successful snail farm. So please, let's dive into the video to see the very first food that you need to feed to your snails. The very first food is cucumber. Cucumber provides high water content and prevents dehydration in snails, especially during hot weather like this in this part of the world. It supports digestion, reduces heat stress, and improves feed acceptance. Though cucumber is low in nutrients, it helps maintain body hydration, smooth movement, and mucus production in snails. Cucumber is best used as a supplementary feed, not as a primary nutrient source. Number 2, watermelon. Watermelon hydrates snails efficiently due to its high moisture level. It improves appetite, supports digestion, and helps prevent dryness during dry season like this. The natural sugars provide quick energy, but should be fed in moderation to avoid watery droppings. Please remove leftovers quickly to prevent fermentation and pest attraction. You can watch my other videos where I discuss this. Number 3, food. Calcium feed. Calcium feed is critical for strong shell formation. It helps to repair shell and improve egg production. It prevents shell cracking, deformities, and mortalities. Adequate calcium improves growth rate and reproductive performance. Sources of calcium feed include limestone, eggshell powder, oyster shell, or formulated calcium supplements, like the one in one of my videos where I taught you how to use poultry eggs, dried ones, and crush them, grind them to fine powder, and feed them to your snails as source of calcium. Or better still, if you can crush the shells of dead snails, they are another good source of calcium that can be made available to snails. Number 4, pawpaw fruit itself. The pawpaw itself. Pawpaw improves digestion and boosts appetite due to its natural enzymes. It supports rapid growth, body weight gain, and energy supply to your snails. The soft texture makes it easy for snails to consume them. Pawpaw also helps reduce digestive stress. Feed them right, but firm pawpaw should be fed to them in moderation to avoid excess moisture issues. Number 5, this one is a leaf, pawpaw leaf. Pawpaw leaf supports digestion and acts as a mild natural dewormer to snails. They help to improve feed efficiency and help control harmful gut organisms. The leaves of pawpaw contain beneficial phytochemicals that support snails' immunity and growth. Best to feed fresh and chopped. Avoid overfeeding young snails due to its bitterness. Number 6. This one also is a leaf. Bitter leaves. Bitter leaves improves immunity and help control parasites and harmful microbes. They support digestive health and reduce disease risk in snail pens. Though these are nutritious to snails, their bitterness may reduce their intake. So when you are giving them bitter leaves, mix with softer feeds. Proper washing reduces bitterness and is suitable mainly for adult snails and breeders, not for young snails. Take note of these too. Number 7 is a leaf. Cocoyam leaves. Cocoyam leaves provides protein, minerals, and fiber that support growth and tissue development. They enhance shell strength and body mass when combined with calcium sources. Leaves of cocoyam should be wilted or lightly dried to reduce irritants. Proper preparation improves palatability for your snails and prevents digestive irritation. Number 8 is another leaf. Water leaves. Water leaves are highly palatable and rich in moisture, aiding hydration and digestion. They support steady growth and reduce feed refusal. Their soft texture makes them ideal for growing snails. Water leaves are also very helpful to regulate body temperature in snails. That is why you should always feed them fresh and clean to prevent any contamination. Number 9 are tomatoes. Tomatoes supply moisture. They supply vitamins and antioxidants that support metabolism and tissue repairs for snails. They help to improve their appetite and digestion when fed to them in moderation. Overfeeding of tomatoes can increase acidity and cause digestive upset. So remove uneaten portions quickly. Best combined with leafy foods and calcium sources. I want to ask you, are you getting value in this video? Are you enjoying this video? I know you are actually enjoying this video. If you are, please type yes in the comment section. Please continue to watch this video till the end so that you won't miss any point, because any point you miss can be the one that will save your snails and save your snail farm. So let's get right to the next type of food that we're going to give to our snails. Number 10 is cassava leaves. Cassava leaves are rich in protein and minerals that support growth and egg production. So processing is essential to reduce cyanide content in these cassava leaves. These leaves should be wilted or dried or boiled before feeding them to snails. Well-prepared cassava leaves improve body weight, shell quality, and reproductive performance of your snails. Number 11, scent leaves. Scent leaves improves digestion and act as natural antibacterial and antifungal agents. They help reduce disease outbreaks in snail pens and support gut health. The aroma from scent leaves may limit the intake, so we want to mix them with other feeds. Scent leaves are suitable for adult snails and breeders when used moderately, so we want to use them moderately, please. Number 12 is another type of leaf that many people don't know about: beans leaves. Beans leaves provide plants protein and fiber essential for muscle development and growth. Beans leaves support steady weight gain in snails and help improve their feed diversity. These beans leaves should be tender and fresh. Avoid overly matured beans leaves, which are tougher and less digestible for our snails. Number 13, jute leaves, popularly called in this part of the world as Ewedu leaves. Jute leaves are rich in minerals and mucilage that helps to improve digestion and slime production in snails. They support smooth movement, Shell health and hydration. They are highly palatable and suitable for all growth stages. Jute leaves help reduce stress for snails and improve their feed intake consistency. Number 14 is another type of leaf called the okra leaves. Okra leaves enhance digestion and slime production due to their mucilaginous nature. They support gut health, they support hydration and steady growth of your snails. The leaves are very, very nutritious and soft, making them easy to consume. Okra leaves are suitable for both growing and adult snails, so you can feed them both to the young ones and the old or mature snails alike. Number 15, carrots. Carrots provide vitamins and antioxidants that support metabolism, immunity, and tissue repair in snails. Carrots help to promote healthy growth and improve shell pigmentation slightly. Carrots should be sliced or grated for easy feeding to snails. Carrots are best used as supplement alongside leafy feeds and calcium sources. I believe you are enjoying this video. You are following up. If you are, please click the like button. Please turn on the post notification bell so that when I release another video, you will be the first to be informed. Please subscribe to Gbenga Naturefarms. I'm going to unlock the remaining foods, secret foods that will help your snails to grow very well, that will help them to lay more eggs in order for your farm to run efficiently. So let's continue. Keep watching to the end. Don't miss any point, because any point you miss may be the point that will help you in growing your snail farm successfully. So let's continue. This time we are going to point number 16. Kalanchoe pinnata. Kalanchoe pinnata supports immunity and wound healing in snails. It helps reduce infections and improves overall vitality in your snail farm. The leaves contain medicinal compounds beneficial for snail health. If you feed Kalanchoe pinnata in moderation to your snails and combine with other leafy feeds, it gives them a balanced diet. Number 17 is a fruit, banana or plantain. Banana or plantain provides energy, minerals, and moisture that support growth and reproduction in your snail farm. They improve feed acceptance and weight gain. Overfeeding can cause excess softness in droppings, so moderation is very important while feeding them banana or plantain. Both ripe and unripe forms can be used to feed your snails strategically. Number 18, oranges. Oranges supply vitamins and antioxidants that support immunity and metabolism in your snail farm. They also help to improve appetites, but they are acidic. So when feeding your snails oranges, feed them with it sparingly, not regularly. Excess citrus can irritate the digestive system of snails. So always remove leftovers quickly. Best use occasionally, not as a regular feed component. Take note of that. Oranges are not regular feed component, but you can be fed to them occasionally because they support humility and metabolism in snails. Number 19, pepper leaves. Pepper leaves support digestion and possess mild antimicrobial properties. They help reduce disease-causing organisms in snail pens. The leaves of pepper are nutritious but should be fed moderately to avoid irritation in your snail farm. Pepper leaves are suitable mainly for adult snails and breeders when mixed with softer feeds. So take note of this feed. You feed them to adult snails and breeders, not juvenile snails. Number 20, garden egg leaves. Garden egg leaves provide fiber, minerals, and vitamins that support digestion and shell development in your snails. They help to improve growth and overall vitality. The leaves are well accepted by snails and suitable for regular feeding. Please always wash them thoroughly before feeding them to your snails. Number 21, type of food. Feed supplement for egg production. Feed supplements help to improve fertility, egg size, hatchability, and breeding performance in your snail farms. They supply concentrated protein, calcium, phosphorus, and trace minerals to your snails. Proper supplementation helps to reduce egg breakage and increase their clutch size. That's the number of eggs they are going to lay. So want to use scientifically formulated supplements and avoid overdosing to prevent imbalance. What do we mean by scientifically formulated supplements? Like the one they use in poultry farms to feed layer birds. That's the layer match. You can use it also to feed your snails. You wet it a bit. They help them to be able to lay more eggs and to produce eggs that are very firm. So we can also use that for them. Number 22. This is another wonderful leaf, the last but not the least, called Moringa leaves. Most of us that don't have these on our snail farm should try as much as possible to have these. Moringa leaves are highly nutritious. They are rich in protein, minerals, and antioxidants. Moringa leaves help to boost growth rate of your snails. They help to boost their immunity. The Moringa leaves helps to make your snail shell to be strengthened, to be firm. And also Moringa leaves helps to increase egg production in your snail farm. Moringa improves overall performance in breeding snails. Feed fresh or dried and combined with calcium for maximum reproductive benefits. So these are the 22 secret foods that you can feed to your snails in your snail farm that will help them to grow bigger, which is what we all want as snail farmers. These are the 22 secret foods that no one is telling you about that will help to boost their egg production in your snail farm. These are the 22 secret foods that you can feed to your snails that will help to increase their egg production. I believe you have gotten a lot of value from this video. This is Gbenga Nature Farms. Please share this video. Please click the like button. Please subscribe to this channel. Help to let this video go viral. Please continue to stay healthy as you keep on eating healthy foods that comes from the farm. Bye-bye.